You like the watermelon? Okay. Hey guys, so today we're here at Lowe's, our neighborhood Lowe's, and we're just checking out what they have available for us gardeners. Looks like they restocked on quite a bit of seeds here. These ones are the Very Moore's Organic. And then come over here, pretty much the same kind of seeds. We got some So Easies. Hi! Let's see what else. Some of these seed starters. Let's see. So these tiny little ones are $2.59. And as they get bigger, of course, they're going to cost more. So this one right here is the 72 peat pellets, and it's $9.49. And then you got the self-watering greenhouse kit, and it's $17.97 right there. Which, I guess it's not that bad. Oh, you finally get some good action right over here. Plant labels, yeah. And of course, they're indoor plants. So they have a good variety. Not too bad for January. Right, Hayden? We got some Bonnie products right here. Some catnip, mint, lavender, cilantro, basil. And pretty much that's all they have available. Okay, let me go through this jungle. And just see, just some other seed starters, pots, some planters. So, definitely plenty to start off with. Look how pretty this one is. These ones are super cute too. All of these are super cute. Oh my goodness, especially this. I love baskets. Alright guys, so we are now in the plant food section. And since it's January, what I like to do usually is... Oh, that's Hayden. Those are the seeds that she decided to pick out.
The watermelon.
Yeah, because you love watermelon. So what I like to do in January is kind of just have a feel for what they have available and start gathering all the items I need. So when spring hits, I don't really have to go and fight anybody in the stores to get the items. I just have it all ready to go, and I can mix it when I need to, get it all ready, everything's prepped. No worries. So today I think I'm gonna go. I gotta get some. Let me see. Where is it? Oh, there it is. I'm gonna try this out. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos, and a lot of the gardeners that I follow, they are like super. They recommend this a lot. So I'm super excited. I'm gonna be using this for the first time. There's some blood meal, which it says blood meal, organic, source of nitrogen, ideal for vegetables. Then you got here, and it says organic bone meal, source of phosphorus, ideal for bones. So you guys let me know, when you guys pick these items out, do you really focus on what it says on the bag, on where you use it? Or have you mixed stuff together and you realize that the results are... Yeah, they have some flowers out already, so that's nice to see. Ooh, they're super pretty. Look at that.
I was recording.
Very pretty. So they have some roses here. No, they're not dead, baby. This is how roses start. So they have quite a bit here. Guys, I wish you guys could smell these flowers. They smell so good. What do they have here? They have tulip, ready to go. I don't know, I never actually planted tulips. You guys let me know. Should I add those to the garden this year? I do have a specific spot that's kind of bare, so I might want to add some tulips there. I'm just not sure. I don't know, you guys let me know. So this, look how pretty this is. Oh, it's just so pleasing to the eye. Out here is, it says cabbage and kale. And it just looks so beautiful together. I'm not gonna say that I've seen something like this. So it's nice to see. Let's see what else they have. Keep on going, baby. What they got over here? The Italian stone pine. Oh, and then they have some nice stuff here, ready to go. Some honeysuckle, hydrangeas, which excellent cut flowers. It says full sun to partial shade. I would have to say that I had these in full sun and I had these in partial shade. And maybe it was just the way I took care of it, but both ways it did not take. And based on the word hydra, I'm assuming it wanted a lot more water than what I was willing to give. So I usually stay away from hydrangeas now, but I want to say that it is one of my favorite flowers. It's just so freaking pretty. Okay guys, so now we're in the soil section. You know, got potting mixes, some organic container mixes. You have some cactus, palm and citrus, garden soil, raised bed soil. I'm looking for raised bed soil. The Miracle Grow is available, but I'm kind of trying to stay away from Miracle Grow right now. Just to see if I get different kind of production with different kind of soil, or a different company I should say. And then we have some tree and shrub lawn soil, garden thyme, composted mulch and soil conditioner, and steer, and then of course the topsoil. Nah. I mean, it's enough to do what we need to do, right guys? What do we got here? Deodorized manure. Hayden was saying earlier, like, that she doesn't want to come over here because every time we come near the soil area, it stinks. Hey, check this out, guys. Turf builder, kid and pet friendly when used as directed. Scotch all-in-one particles, seeds to protect against heat and drought. Ooh, sounds like my kind of turf builder. I just gotta read up on it, but it's the word seed. So, well guys, I guess that's it. That's all they have so far at the Lowe's here. Wait. I almost forgot this. Peat moss. These bags are like super heavy, but it's 3 cubic feet of large peat moss. And you guys want to know what's also good about peat moss? You can use it in your turtle habitats. Free tip of the day, folks. But anyways, you guys, this is all for now. This is everything they have at the Lowe's here in El Paso on the west side. I hope you guys enjoyed my little findings. And let me know if you guys headed on to Lowe's or Home Depot or even a local nursery, and let us know. Let us see what you guys purchased. Okay? Talk to you later. Bye.